Are you tired of constantly typing out responses to emails on Gmail? Well, now you can enable Smart Reply on your PC to make your life easier. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Smart Reply on Gmail in just a few simple steps. First, open gmail.com on your browser. Next, look at the top bar and click on the gear icon. This will open up a menu with various options. Click on See All Settings to access the settings page. Now, navigate to the General section and look for the Smart Reply option. Once you find it, click on Smart Reply On to enable this feature. This will allow Gmail to suggest quick responses based on the content of the email. After enabling Smart Reply, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click on Save Changes to apply the new settings. A confirmation pop-up will appear, confirming that the changes have been saved successfully. And that's it. You have successfully enabled Smart Reply on Gmail on your PC. Now, whenever you receive an email, Gmail will offer you quick reply options to save you time and effort. Give it a try and see how much easier it is to stay on top of your emails.